Yes, ma'am. How is DMIT report? What are your takeaways from this report?
Like he wrote everything, all subjects in one notes lo రాసేసాడు. So that was like that's a very big mistake, and with like he doesn't have time also. Like the very next day he has to go to school and submit all his homework, holidays homework. But then there's no time, and I was like, I wondered why. What is this? What did you do? He said, I'm sorry, ma, I don't know. I didn't get like what teacher said. I understood that I should write in only my notes. So I have completed. What I appreciated is whatever it is, at least you kept some effort to complete the homeworks and all. Okay, fine. I informed the particular teacher and I told I'm helping him writing all his notes as like dividing all his work. I'm helping him in writing. In his handwriting was like very very neat and very fluent, very like what do you say? Uh, it was. I'll share you his all his classworks and homeworks. You will also find difference like previous how it was and now how he is writing. And he's like supportive. Like he's expressing, he's caring a lot. Even he's expressing all his feelings and he's suggesting me. He's making me realize few things that I have to take care of myself and I'm living for. He's giving me very good moral support after midbrain activation, and I found uh, DMIT law. I found all similar characters to me, like what I am. I can see all his report. Like I can find myself in his report.
Okay.
Only all the aspects are matter dance, singing, the cultural activities, what studies lo gaani, what I used to feel, no, all the report I'm finding this report it's made for me. And I'm feeling it in my report only because I does it.
Okay.
I love singing. I love dance. I love to, I love to explore. I love to make friends. I want to be happy. Exactly, he also wants the same thing. Ultimately, that I found.
Thank you.
I don't know about the younger one. Yeah, elder one. Chetan is like ultimately, he's completely like me. He's expressive. He has more maturity. He's thinking now he is in the class, but he's concentrating what I'm talking about. He's doing that, and he's concentrating what I'm talking on.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
And I'm very thankful to you, ma'am. Greatbrains did a very very good job and helped me a lot. I got my child. I can tell you I don't know. I'm speechless. I never thought when he was depressed. I don't know how to pull him back to me. I don't know how to care, how to love, how to express. I was also depressed by seeing him after meeting meeting you, talking to you. Just one telephonic conversation has changed my life, and now I got a very good support. He is trained, but my life is changed. Just because that I can say. He is trained, and my life is changed by training him. And that's the reason when I found it's really amazing. I myself traveled to Chennai, and I thought at Chennai cost I have to meet you, and my child has to meet you. That's the reason I came to you, and I'm looking forward for another chance to come to Chennai and meet.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. So sweet of you. Yeah, we really appreciate you, ma'am, because we had class online, but you still took an effort. I will make him to come at least to see you for one follow-up session. We'll make sure we'll come to Chennai, and you made it possible. We met him personally, and we really had very good time with you all, and it was very nice. We are always there to help you. Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you.